Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset PC using command prompt here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our command prompt. So by that, please proceed at the bottom search bar and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, which is a system called command prompt. And at the left side of that, you can see there an option called Run as Administrator. So click on it to proceed. The moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see a notification where your user account control is asking you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to give permission on running the command prompt as administrator. So from here, you need to type a command text, which I'll be including at the description box below. You can copy it there, or you can simply take a screenshot so that you can take a note of the command text. Okay, so the command text is system reset. I get the reset space hyphen factory reset. Again, it is reset space hyphen factory reset and click on enter. The moment you do that, you would be able to see a blue window where you can choose an option, and it will opt you to choose two options, which are to keep my files and to remove everything. So if you'd like to keep your files and this would removes, and if you'd like to keep your files but remove apps and settings, you can click on this first one, and in that way you would be able to reset your computer, but you would be able to keep your files as well. Okay? And if you would like to remove your files, you can proceed on the second option, and in that way, you would be able to remove everything as well. Includes the datas, the documents, the pictures, the images, all of the important datas that you have saved in your PC that will be completely removed if you will choose the other option, and that is to remove your files. But if you would like to keep your files, proceed with the first option, which is this. Okay? Your apps will be removed, but the files that you have will be saved or will be restored here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay? So simply click on next, and in that way, you would be able to reset your PC or laptop. Okay? So again, if you'd like to remove everything, you can set on the second option, and that is to remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. And by here, click on it, and it will get things ready for you. Once it's done, click on next, and in that way, you can select the to clean the drivers to just remove my files or remove files and clean drive. Okay, so either choose one of this option and click on it, and you would be able to reset your PC. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on resetting your PC using your command prompt. Thank you and have a good day everyone.